experience the two-way zip line for 60 feet and 200 meters. So, bali 400 meters po siya. Oh, don't touch the water, ah. Yes, the Captain America. You can take the picture with the Captain America.
Ani ka, mag-picture kayo dun sa Captain America.
Ayan, so, sa tapat ng ating Adventure Park. Kaso nabablock siya nung itong wala na. Ang ating Captain America float. Every Christmas po kasi meron po kami itong float parade in Pasig.
Ah.
So lahat po nung mga float nila after Christmas, dito po sila dinidisplay. Yan naman po yung ating adventure park. So again, sa mga mahilig po mag-adventure, we also have here the adventure park for zip line for 60 feet and bali 400 meters. And then wall climbing for 50 feet and rappelling po na 60 feet and obstacle course. And the skate park. Ayan po yung ating mga activity inside the adventure park. And then yung flower fields po, yun na nandun sa kabilang side. Ayan, we have 20 to